Hello family and friends. Today I'm going to show you how to make a chocolate ganache with 3 ingredients. I'm using 2 cups of milk, 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, and 3/4 cup of sugar. And what I'm going to do is start by putting the milk into a pan. I'm going to bring it to a boil, and I like using the Corningware because I can bring things to a boil and I don't have scorching issues as much as I do with like metal pans. I just like using Corningware. And I'm going to add my cocoa powder. I want to get this all stirred up and mixed in really good. And I'm going to bring this to a boil. I'm going to add my sugar in here. And now the patience of trying to get everything stirred in and incorporated. I don't know where my little mini whisk went. I sure do miss it. Just have to get me another one. A whisk just makes it easier, but I will go back to the spatula because I'm going to want to make sure that I scrape the bottom well, because I don't want anything to burn or scorch. And it's just much easier in a Corningware dish. And the nice thing about ganache, you can use it to coat your eclairs, cakes, cupcakes, donuts, truffles, brownies. You can use it as a fruit dish or fruit dip. And you can use other liquids. If you wanted to add, say, a brandy to this, I would probably take my milk down to maybe 1.5 cups and use 1/2 cup of brandy. You could add vanilla to it. You can add salt just to change the flavoring. There's a lot of things that you can do. Now I'm going to go back to my spatula because I want to scrape the edges. I want to get the bottom. Okay, you can see it's boiling, so I'm just going to continue to keep stirring because I don't want anything to burn, and I want it to thicken. You can see where I originally started, and it's about halfway down. So I'm going to turn the fire off, and I'm going to keep stirring it while it cools and let it thicken up even more. And if it's not thick enough for me, then I'll just boil it again till it thickens up to the desire that I want, the thickness that I want. Oh, you can use this over ice cream too. Banana cream pie. A lot of things. A good ganache is one of those things that can be used in a whole lot of ways to take whatever you're making to the next level. Okay, I'm going to let it set for a bit and cool completely, and then I'm going to come back and check. I don't have to worry about stirring it constantly because it's not boiling anymore and it's cooling down. Okay, I've let it set for about, I don't know, 20 minutes or so. And you can see how thick it's gotten. I mean, it's just really silky smooth and looks beautiful. So you can use it as a dip, and I'm going to take a strawberry and just dip it in there. Now that's delicious. So come back next week. I'm going to show you how to make another ganache using 2 ingredients. And they're different ingredients. And it's really good too. So until next week, make it a gorgeous day every day. Bye.